Police and members of a family in Trelawny are desperately trying to locate a 72-year-old farmer who has gone missing since Monday, March 26. The senior citizen, identified as Brenton Palmer, is a resident of Dutch Hill in Albert Town in the parish. Police report that Palmer is of brown complexion, stout build, and is about 172 centimeters, 5 feet 8 inches tall. Reports from the Holster Spring Police are that Palmer was last seen in Cotton Tree in the parish, dressed in a striped shirt, brown pants, and water boots. He has not been heard from since. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Brenton Palmer is being asked to contact the Holster Spring Police at 571-7053. Again, 571-7053. Police 119 emergency number are the nearest police station. Right now, family members are saying they have not been searching for Palmer for days and are hoping that he will return home in time to spend the rest of Easter with loved ones. So, anyone again just know the whereabouts of Brenton Palmer, New Link Production just asking us to just please give up the information to the police, because as you can see, the family them really love him, and as them say, they desperately need him and want to see him back. You understand? Because they don't know, say, Easter gone for the Friday, but you have Easter Monday coming. So, they want to see him for the Easter, to spend the Easter with him. So, as again, New Link Production, I say, just remember to call the police again at 571-7053, or the nearest police 119 emergency number. You get what me I say? This is a New Link Production, man, and we just wish Mr. Brenton Palmer, you understand, in return home safe to his loved ones and to the family and to the people of Trelawny, because you don't know, say, you know, we have to big up the farmer them, and New Link represent for everybody. So viewer, subscriber, just big up on yourself. You don't know, New Link Production say.